Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, what I'm gonna share is all about Filipiniana costume for girls at mga katutubong kasuotan for buwan ng wika and for any other school activities. This is what we call barot saya. Tinernohan ko siya ng floral tapis with floral sas. I made a lot of this kind of costumes kasi there are group of students na naghahanap o nangangailangan ng mga terno-ternong kasuotan for their practicum. Wait lang guys, I'll take something. Ito yung other set of costumes na ginawa ko para sa mga estudyante. Tinernohan ko siya ng green tapis and green sauce. This is my Maria Clara attire, and this is also one of my best rentals here. This costume is playing a very important role for the students. They can use this sa mga folk dances, and they can also use this sa mga school play. We all know that Maria Clara is a central character in Jose Rizal's novel, Noli Me Tangere. This yellow and red Filipiniana dress, ito yung kauna-unahang barot saya na tinahi ng nanay ko para sa akin. My mom is now in heaven. Mom, I missed her so much. Kaya this costume is so memorable for me. Kasi imagine, ang kauna-unahang tinahi ng nanay ko para sa akin. Mom, thank you. And this barot saya, madalas ginagamit ito ng mga clients ko sa hotable dance and even yung tinatawag nating kuradang dance. Sayaw ta kuradang. This is the barot saya that I newly made. Floral ang top with pearl around the neck. Plain green ang saya, and I cut a small piece of fabric na ginawa kong tapis. Now, this is the whole thing. Pwede nang gamitin ng mga students sa folk dances or any other activity. This floral costume, ito yung gustong-gustong rentahan sa akin ng mga petite student. Small size ito, and it fits them a lot. And you know what, guys? This beautiful dress, beautiful costume was given to me by my daughter. Yes po, it's a very special gift from my unika iha. Dahil gandang-ganda ako sa pagka-floral niya, nag-cut ako ng red na tela na ginawa kong tapis. There's a lot more of Filipiniana costumes that I want to share, pero isi-share ko na lang po on my next vlog dahil nowadays, busy-busy po tayo dahil buwan ng wika events. Kaya see you next time, guys! Thank you for watching and thank you for your support. God bless us all po!